Hello, I'm sharing a low-fat version of clear Tom Yum Goong today. There are many versions of Tom Yum soup out there, both creamy and non-creamy. In this version, no paste, no coconut milk, and no MSG will be used. Here are the ingredients. I have used golden oyster mushrooms, but regular ones will do. The amount of lime juice, chili, sugar, and fish sauce can be adjusted to suit your preference. Use any desired amount of grass noodles to make it a complete meal. First, wash, deshell, and devein the prawns. Keep all the heads and shells for making prawn stock. You can keep the shell on the tail if you like. Peel and chop up the garlic. Slice the galangal into strips. Peel the onion and cut into wedges. Heat up salt oil in a stock pot and pour in the aromatics cut earlier. Fry till fragrant and browning of the garlic occurs. Add in the prawn heads and shell. Fry till the shells turn red and the pot is dry. Add water. Boil for 15 minutes with high heat and then turn down to medium heat to simmer for 45 minutes. Wash mushrooms under running water. Make sure all the dirt are removed completely. Cut limes into wedges. The amount of juice extracted from each lime differs. I am cutting up 6 limes. Any excess can be used for other purposes. Squeeze the lime and separate into 2 portions. Approximately 8 tablespoons for one portion and the remaining in another. Cut off the hard bits at the bottom of the lemongrass and remove wilted outer coverings. Cut about 4 inches from the bottom. Keep the bottom and discard the upper portion. Pound the lemongrass to crush them. This will aid the release of the aroma. Tear up the kaffir lime leaves. Remove any hard leaf stalks. Shave off hair-like roots from the coriander roots. Cut off the roots and the lower part of the stem. Keep the leaves for garnishing later. Cut tomatoes into wedges. Cut off the stem of the chili and slice open. Remove and wash off the seeds. Retain the seeds if you can take the heat. Soak the grass noodles in water to soften. Remove the prawn shells and heads after 1 hour. Look at the beautiful color of the stock. Add in chilies, coriander roots, and lemongrass. Lastly, add in the kaffir leaves. Turn to high heat and boil for 15 minutes. The soup should be smelling fantastic right now. Add in tomatoes and boil for another 5 minutes. Add in the mushrooms and boil for another 10 minutes. Add in fish sauce. Followed by prawns and then 8 tablespoons of lime juice. Add sugar and boil for 5 minutes. The soup is ready to be served. Finally, the last steps involve draining water from the soaked grass noodles. Boil the grass noodles till transparent and set aside. Enjoy the Tom Yum Goong on its own or top the grass noodles with hot soup to create a filling meal. Yummy! Thank you for watching. To receive notifications for more creative and simple home-cooked food, please subscribe to my channel.